Here I have ALCATEL 3V, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on power saving mode on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have to tap on this battery saver, and it will turn on battery saving mode. But if you hold your finger here, you can also go here and set battery saver to turn on automatically at 5% battery and at 15% battery if you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.